guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a copycat Starbucks pumpkin cream cold brew, and what you're going to be needing is a cup, and I'm just reusing my Starbucks cup, a can of 100% pure pumpkin. You can also use a pumpkin pie mix, but this is what I found at Aldi for 89 cents. And then you're going to be using powdered sugar and vanilla syrup, so that way it gives your coffee sweetness, and finally some heavy whipping cream. You will also need a bowl and a whisk, and don't forget your cold brew. If you guys want to know how I made my cold brew, definitely comment down below and I can make a video for you guys, but I make a big batch in this jug. So you want to add half a cup of heavy whipping cream to your bowl. One-fourth cup of powdered sugar, one-fourth cup of your pumpkin, you want to slowly mix everything together with your whisk. I did use a smaller bowl, so I had to be a little bit more careful, but you can use a bigger bowl if you would like. I just decided to use a smaller bowl because I wasn't making such a big batch, but do what works for you. You're gonna want to keep mixing this for a couple of minutes until it gets a little bit thick. You do not want it to be very airy like a thick whipping cream, but you want to get the consistency of it not being so runny. So you're gonna be definitely beating this for a couple of minutes. I would say like about 5, and once you like the consistency, then you can stop. Now you just want to grab your cup and add ice to it. You want to add your cold brew to your cup with ice and fill it up almost to the very top. Now you want to go ahead and grab your pumpkin cream, and you want to add as many spoonfuls as you would like. I like my coffee cold brew a little bit more sweet, so I did decide to add about 3 spoonfuls. Well, technically it's not a spoon, but you get what I mean. This was my first time doing this recipe and it came out to perfection. But I will say, if you don't want such a pumpkin taste, I would do less of the measurement of the pumpkin. And if you don't like your coffee as sweet, I would do less of the powdered sugar, or leave the powdered sugar measurement as is, but don't add the vanilla syrup to your coffee. You just kind of have to see what works for you and measure out things according to your liking. I just want everybody to be able to try the pumpkin cold brew because sometimes it is sold out at Starbucks, and it is just so easy to do at home and you can adjust it to your liking. So I just wanted to be in the spirit and try it out and share this recipe with you guys. I forgot to tell you guys that if you want your cold brew a little bit more sweet, you definitely can add the vanilla syrup, and you usually add this before you add the pumpkin cream, but I totally forgot when I was filming this video, so it's okay if you add it at the end, it doesn't matter. Then to make it a little bit more spicy, I added a little bit of cinnamon, and there you go. I really enjoyed making this drink and I hope you guys do too. I think it was a little bit better than the one at Starbucks because the one at Starbucks wasn't as sweet, but you guys can, you know, add a little bit more or add less to make it less sweet or more sweet. It just depends on your preference and your taste and what you like. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.